Welcome back to Edulexis. Today, we're building a practical tool, an automated file organizer. Have you ever had a cluttered downloads folder? By the end of this video, you'll have a script that tidies it up for you. The logic is simple. We look at every file in a folder, check its extension like .jpg or .pdf and move it into a corresponding folder. This introduces the os and shutil modules in Python. First, open your editor. We need os to interact with the operating system and shutil to handle moving files. Type import os and import shutil at the top of your file. Next, we define the directory we want to clean. Use a variable like folder_path. Make sure you use raw strings that's an R before the quotes to handle Windows file paths correctly. Now, let's look inside that folder. We use os.listdir folder_path to get a list of all files. Let's print this list to ensure Python can see your messy folder. To handle each file, we need a for loop for file name in files. This allows us to process every single item individually, one by one. We only want files, not existing folders. We use os.path.isFile to check. This keeps our script safe and prevents it from trying to move a folder into itself. How do we know if it's an image or document? We use os.path.splytext file name. This splits the file name into the name and the extension, like .jpg. If the extension is .jpg, we need the images folder. We use os.makeDirs to create the destination folder. We add exist_ok equals true so the script doesn't crash if the folder already exists. The core command is shutil.move. We define the source path and the destination path. It's like a digital cut and paste. Let's assemble the if statements. If the extension is .pdf, move to documents. If it's .png, move to images. Keep it simple for now. We'll expand later. What about unknown files? Use an else block to move them into an others folder. This ensures every single file gets handled, leaving your main directory completely clean. What if a file is open? We should wrap our move command in a try acceptor block. This prevents the script from stopping if one file is being used by another program. Now, create a dummy folder with random files. Run the script. Watch as Python automatically categorizes everything. If a file ends up in the wrong place, check your logic. You've just built a real-world automation tool. You've learned file handling, path manipulation, and basic automation logic. Experiment by adding more extensions. See you in the next lesson.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.